all the New Year's Eve and Christmas parties are over. You come back home sloshed. All you want to do is sleep on your bed, not worrying about if you're wearing makeup or not. But no, honey, you gotta pull yourself back together. First of all, make sure to take off those earrings so that you don't poke yourself in the sleep, and always take your makeup off. An easy way to avoid sleeping with your makeup is just to keep makeup wipes in your bedside drawer. Easy peasy, right? You can ponder over whatever happened at the party tonight to make it more interesting, but that'll get you more in trouble. Trying to fix all the tags that people did in your photos? Yeah, not gonna happen. The makeup wipes that I like to use are the Kiko Milano makeup wipes. They are oil based and are just so comfortable on the skin to take off. One thing that you need to start doing from the night that you get back is start sipping on that water, guys. If you were in an environment where there was smoke or you smoked, water will save you. And then you can just go ahead and pass out. The morning after the party, you are bound to get some surprises. Could be a pimple, could be a dry spot on your skin, or could be a picture with a person you do not want to be out on the internet. So instead of cribbing and worrying about how you're gonna fix it, let's just start fixing it ourselves. I'm talking about the skincare here. First things first, gotta wash off that residual makeup. I'm gonna use my new favorite Kaya face wash. It is a gel based face wash which has some sparkly bits in it, cleans your face so well and smells like a fresh orange. I love it. Then I'm gonna go ahead with the Troy Ariki face cleanser. You just have to put this on your face and leave it on. So it's the perfect thing to do the next morning because you cannot be bothered with too many efforts where you have to do a lot of stuff, right? So I'm just gonna put this on my face and it's gonna work its magic in about 5-10 minutes, and then you wash it off with warm water. Gives your face a brightening effect, which is just what you need. Next up, of course, you get a mask. I'm using this detox mask from the brand Me. It's a natural mask made in USA and not tested on animals, so that's good. And this contains matcha, lemongrass, and clay. Clay masks are known to take out the impurities from deep within your skin. I love the packaging of it. The lid and the box are so sturdy. It comes sealed and it looks green and smells so fresh. I'm sure that's because of the lemongrass. I'm gonna apply it in my T-zone because whenever I'm around environments where there's a lot of smoke involved, I get pimples on my nose and that looks ugly. So detox masks, especially that are made with clay, are your solution to getting impurities out from deep within the skin. It did tingle a little around my nose, so I don't know what's up with that. Also, clay masks can also dry out your skin a lot, so make sure to not let it sit to the point where it feels like it's cracking up because it's so dry. After it's clean, can you see the reflectiveness on my nose? It looks so clean and fresh. Yes. Now on to the post masking skincare. First, going to use the Fab India Rose Water Spray as my toner, and always pat your skincare in your skin. Don't just rub it in because that's going to mess up and cause premature wrinkles. Then I'm going to use my Innisfree White Tone Up Essence, which will change your life, put all the moisture back in your skin. Whatever moisturizer you apply, make sure to follow it up with a sunscreen because that's always needed. On the same night, you could also go ahead and apply an overnight mask, which will put the moisture back in your skin because maybe because of the alcohol, late night waking up, your skin was dried out. And of course, you gotta drink that water. And that is how your post-party skin will still be looking fresh as... Whoa! I guess that's it. Bye, guys.